Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Afomic World, and this is continuation of our social media management series. Now, the last video I made was on how to do a social media calendar. Now, we also want to learn how to use the Metabusiness suite. So, let's go right into this video tutorial. Okay, Metabusiness is owned by Mark Zuckerberg, of course, and is a platform or an app that you can use to schedule your content that you made with Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Since it's owned by the same owner, Mark Zuckerberg, that's Meta itself, so that's why I call it Metabusiness. So you can actually schedule post ahead instead of posting as they go by. So this will reduce burden and work overload, so you don't get burnout. So as social media manager, you have to plan and post ahead, just like I mentioned in my video here. Go and watch it if you have not yet. Watch it. So what you need to do is click on create posts. Now I have some contents here I want to post. I want to show you how to do this, the video, and this three. Alright, so I need to switch to my own Facebook profile. Sorry, bloody page so you see how many pages I have. Sorry about that. Into bloody page. Alright, so this is where we are posting to. And I can also choose to post to Facebook group that I am in. So I go to add photo, use photo. There it is. Add photo. Or maybe I should even use this way so you can understand. Planner. Yes. Planner. Card changes. Go to planner. I want to post ahead from So I go to a week before previously, so I switch to month, click on month. So I click on Monday. This is what I want to be posted on Monday. Look at it. July 21, that was on Monday. Should be around let's say 8 o'clock. Same to Instagram, since they're connected at 8 a.m. Click on save. So what am I posting? What I'm posting is actually photo design. So yeah, data analysis, the admission offer data analysis services to its clients. So I can say box send us a DM get started. Actually, I can add other details, things that a data analyst does: data cleansing, data research, all those long distance, but I'm just trying to compress time so you don't waste time here. So let's go for hashtag. That's analysis. Go to hashtag social media manager. Go to hashtag what's that first? Go to hashtag admission, hashtag social media. Alright, that way. So that's for this. Now you can, this option give you the privilege to customize post for Facebook and Instagram. For instance, there's some website where you can add link to a post, but that link will not be able to get clicked on Instagram if it is a post. So you can customize, and you can actually add your link to it. www.admission.com. But we don't need that. I'm just using it for your learning sake. So I'll unclick it. So this is when our post will be live, and you can also share to story. You can either choose the option of sharing, or whoever is supposed to be sharing it every 24 hours, or you just share it just once. I want it to share just once. So click, I'm done with that. Click on schedule. Now that's what schedule. Next we have to go to our next. Yes, so to give you an option of boosting the post, just ignore it because you don't need that, except if you have a budget to boost this post, but you don't need that for now. So click on maybe later. So that's for Monday. Now let's say I want to post like 3 times per week. I'll go to Wednesday. Yes, click on it. So it's going to take me to Wednesday, and then I post it and choose the clock AM. Right, that's for that. So I click on the video, play the video, set the video. Actually, this video does not even have an audio, so I can do that later on my own Instagram app later, but this is just for illustration purpose, right? So I'm going to this is just for illustration purpose. This is not what I will do actually. A vacancy post like this has to be well detailed. Social gender related. Let me go to dimension, copy the hashtag there. Okay, copy it, post it. Now you have a thumbnail. A thumbnail is like a cover for your Instagram posts, so you can be able to like it make it look more attractive and more orderly. So this is what I will do. Look for something that your thumbnail can either be something that is that that bring people attention, or something that is orderly for Instagram grid reels. So let me just use this as our thumbnail. This is my thumbnail. So I click on next. So my video is saved to publish. Now copyright issue in the sense that there are some videos that you make. When you make those videos, if you put some music that belong to certain musicians or certain record label, you will strike for copyright issues. So also put that into perspective. But although the rules is kind of relaxed on Instagram and like YouTube, so this is it, right? So we click on schedule it. Now this is Facebook Reel Preview. This is Instagram Reel Preview. Both of them are just showing me what it's going to look like. So I click on still. Yeah, that has been still to July 23. So it's name one post. What does she do, right? So we go to this is Monday, Friday. Sorry, let me go back. Yeah, go back months. So it's May 1. Let me post that for okay, no, this is where we are. Monday, Wednesday. So let me post for Friday. For Friday will be this. I click on schedule post. Like either schedule post, schedule story, or schedule an ad. That's for advertisements. So the way I mean schedule post. So when you select our date will be SS7. Now active times is this is what Instagram recommends you to post. That's the number of the time that people are always active. That's your followers. That's the average time they're always active. Sometimes it's always accurate, sometimes it's not accurate. For instance, there's a business page handle for somebody. The active time for the customers are actually 8 p.m. Meanwhile, the business page opened by 9 a.m. in the morning. So definitely I can't post at such time. So use it as one discretion. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. It's just a sample, but just click on save. So add photo. This is it. So it's loading. Social media management services. Alright. In the world where everyone is glued as screen. Admission is the to make social management seamless. Okay, start now. social media. Do you need a social service right place? Alright. Correct it. Services. Send us a DM to get started. Just leave this. Make this smaller down. Alright. So the dates 25, right? Time should be, let me choose as 10 a.m. or let me choose the active time. Let's see that. Let's choose the active time. So share to my stories. I can share a post to my story, either always or once. But if it is video, you can't always share a scheduled story to video like this. There's a way for it. That's on the app, not from Metabusiness. Now this video is actually for the PC version. Later on I'll make a version for the mobile version, because as social media manager you work on the go. So there's sometimes you have to work with the app, maybe traffic or somewhere. So that's one of the flexible idea of working as a social media manager. You can work anywhere, any device, as long as it's capable. So I click on schedule it. Alright, it's loading. Name this option. So my posts have been scheduled. Let's just schedule or schedule. Pardon my intonation or pronunciation. Maybe later. Alright. So month. Alright, so this is what content 1, 2, 3. So we planned our post ahead is Metabusiness Suite. So this way you have time to maybe do other needful things, plan content ahead for the next month, handle customer care, relax, handle inquiries and comments, or have time to do other relevant things that is in your to-do list. So this is how to use Metabusiness to schedule posts as a social media manager. So before you go, don't forget to check my other videos on